Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin and I share real tips, guides, and experiences about applying for jobs, especially cruise ships, but also helpful for any career path. Now today's topic is something na sobrang importante. Paano nga ba mapapansin ang resume mo ng mga recruiter? Because let's be real, hindi lang ikaw ang nag-a-apply. Minsan hundreds, even thousands kayo for one position. So the question is, bakit ikaw ang pipiliin? Paano ka mapapansin sa dami ng mga applicants? Let's break it down. First impression is everything. Unang-una, your resume is your first impression. Hindi ka pa nila kilala. Hindi pa nila alam kung magaling ka. Hindi pa nila naririnig kung paano ka magsalita. So, ang basihan lang nila is resume mo. And here's the truth. Most recruiters only spend 5 to 10 seconds scanning a resume. Yes, seconds lang. So, if your resume is magulo, mahaba, hindi clear, automatic skip. Kaya from the very first glance, dapat malinis, professional, at madaling basahin. Keep it clean and simple. Ito ang pinaka-common mistake ng applicants. Akala nila para mapansin sila, kailangan maganda, makulay, at creative ang resume mo. Yung tipong may icons, may iba't ibang kulay, parang poster ang design. But here's the reality. Recruiters don't care about design. They care about information. In fact, sometimes too much design can actually hurt your chances. Why? Because nahihirapan silang mag-scan. Hindi agad makita kung importanteng details. Minsan, mukhang unprofessional. Especially kung ina-applyan mo is cruise ship, hotel, or corporate job. Mas prefer nila ang clean and professional look. Now, imagine this. Kung recruiter ka, tapos may 200 resumes ka sa isang araw, pipiliin mo ba yung simple, clear, easy to read, or yung makulay, pero magulo, at confusing? Of course, dun ka sa simple. So ano ba ang clean and simple? Font, Arial, Calibre, Times Roman. Iwasan ng fancy fonts. Color, black and white is the safest. Maglalagay ka ng color, minimal lang, like dark blue. Layout, clear section. Profile, experience, skills, and education. Spacing, may space bawat section. Hindi dikit-dikit. Here's the mindset shift. Your resume is not there to impress visually. It's there to communicate clearly. Hindi mo kailangan maging unique sa design. Kailangan mo maging clear sa message mo. And one more important thing, maraming companies gumagamit ng system. Kapag sobrang design heavy ang resume mo, hindi siya nababasa properly. So kahit maganda siya sa paningin mo, pwede siyang ma-reject agad. So if you really want to stand out, don't focus on design, colors, and graphics. Focus on clarity, structure, and content. Because at the end of the day, simple gets noticed faster. Tailor your resume. Ito yung hindi ginagawa ng karamihan. They use one resume for everything. Big mistake. Every job is different. Every company is looking for something specific. So what should you do? Customize your resume based sa ina-applyan mo. Example, if you're applying as bartender, highlight drinks and bar experience. If waiter, highlight guest service. Office job, highlight admin skills. Hindi pwedeng copy-paste lang. you need to match your experience sa hinahanap nila. Use keywords. Now, this one, ito talaga ang game changer. Most applicants think na recruiter agad ang nagbabasa ng resume nila. But the truth is, computer muna. It's called Applicant Tracking System or ATS. Before makarating sa recruiter, dadaan muna ang resume mo sa system na nagfi-filter. So parang ganito yan. If the company is looking for customer service, cash handling, POS system, the system will scan resume and look for those exact words. Now, here's the problem. Kung ang nilagay mo sa resume mo is helping customers instead of customer service, hindi ka makikita ng system. Even if same meaning, hindi ka pa rin papasa. So what should you do? Match the keywords from the job posting. Example, if the job post says, we are looking for someone with strong customer service skills, experience in fast-paced environment, ability to handle cash transaction, dapat sa resume mo, makikita din yung customer service, fast-paced environment, and cash handling. Same wording. Think of it like this. The job post is the answer key. Your resume should match it. Another example, if you're applying as a waiter, instead of work in a restaurant, make it provided customer service in a fast-paced dining environment, and handle guest requests and ensured guest satisfaction. See the difference? Mas professional, may keywords. Make your experience impactful. Ito pa, another common mistake. People just list their duties. Example, responsible for serving food, assisting customers. That's boring. Instead, make it impact-based. Example, delivered excellent customer service to 100 plus guests daily. Or maintain high guest satisfaction in a fast-paced environment. See the difference? Mas specific, mas impressive, at mas professional. You're not just telling them what you did, you're showing them how well you did it. Keep it short but powerful. Huwag mong gawing nobela ang resume mo. Ideal length, 1 page if beginner, 1 to 2 pages if may experience. Recruiters don't have time to read long paragraphs. So keep it straight to the point, bullet format, easy to scan. Remember, less is more. Add a strong profile summary. Ito yung nasa taas ng resume mo. Parang introduction mo. In 2 to 3 sentences. Sagutin mo agad. Sino ka? Ano experience mo? Ano kaya mong i-offer? Example, customer-focused professional with 3 years of experience in hospitality, skilled in delivering excellent service in fast-paced environments. Short, clear, powerful. No errors please. Ito yung simple pero sobrang importante. Spelling, grammar, formatting. Kahit gaano ka kagaling, if your resume has errors, red flag agad. It shows carelessness and lack of attention to detail. So double check or better have someone review it. Let's be honest. Kahit gaano kaganda ang resume mo, if wala kang relevant experience, mahihirapan ka pa rin. Resume helps you get noticed, but experience helps you get hired. So if wala ka pa masyadong experience, start small, gain skills, and build your background. Because at the end of the day, resume is just paper. Ikaw pa rin ang laman nun. Let me share something. Back then, when I was applying, akala ko okay na resume ko. But guess what? Walang tawag, walang feedback. Then I realized, generic pala siya. Walang impact, walang focus. So I changed everything. I simplified it, I tailored it, and I added strong descriptions. And after that, doon na nagsimula ang callbacks. Sometimes it's not about your skills. It's about how you present them. So if you're applying right now, remember this. Make it simple, make it relevant, and make it impactful. Because recruiters don't have time to guess your value. You need to show it clearly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want, I can also help you create a resume template that you can use. Just comment down below. See you in the next video.